Hey guys, today I want to show you two things. Something that I purchased today, and then a subscription that my best friend Jenny signed me up for my birthday, and I received my box today. So I will go through that in just a little bit, but the review of what I purchased. Guys, isn't this the cutest thing ever? It's a wipe dispenser. So I got it from the baby section, and it came with its own wipes. It came with these Hello Kitty wipes. Isn't that the freaking cutest? Even the packaging for the wipes is amazing. But it says Hello Kitty, made in Japan, 80 sheets, 99.9% pure water wet sheets. And then it says here it's free from paraben, alcohol, and aroma chemicals. And it has moisturizing hyaluronic acid in it. I purchased this. I bought this for $9.99, and it came with the wipes. So I would have paid $9.99 just for the case. But I put my own makeup wipes in there because I have eczema on my skin. So I try to use things that have you know, that are good for sensitive skin. So my makeup wipes actually have goat milk in it, which helps my skin a lot. So that's mine there. So yay. So that's what I purchased today. And then now for my box. So I've seen this all over Instagram, and what's crazy is that I feel like my best friend, she knows me so well, because I was gonna purchase this subscription probably like 3 months ago when I first saw it, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it because I don't know, for some reason I changed my mind after I started putting my information in. And sure enough, my best friend gifted this to me, a subscription. So last month I actually posted what I got, and my favorite thing out of that whole collection had to be the orange lipstick that came inside. Like, it looks like a little Skittles bag. So freaking cute. I think it's called Six. Yeah, I must have it somewhere through here, the lipstick. But I've been using it. Oh no, I think it's in my purse. But it's super cute. If you want to check that out, look at my Instagram. So this company is called No Make No Life, and they have like an acronym. It's NMNL. That's what it is. And there's their hashtag there. And let's open the box. Dun, 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 dun. It's stuck. But super freaking cute. So this month's box came, and what I love is that it comes with like a little pamphlet, and it tells you everything that's inside and what was in like previous boxes and what's going to be in future boxes. And I just love the artwork that they have. Last month was super cute. This one, it has the girls doing like a wink and the little heart symbol, like for love, or when you love something you do like little hearts. But so freaking cute. I love it. So this month the subscription is here. So it shows you all the options on what you can possibly get, and they're numbered. So if you look at it here, number 1 shows like there's 4 varieties of lip what's this? This is a lip palette. And you get 3 different tones on the lip palette, but there's 4 varieties that they can possibly send you. So it shows you, even if you didn't get it, it shows you what you could have possibly gotten, which is, I really like that too, because sometimes I'm curious and I'm like, are they just sending me, just me this, or are other people getting the same thing? I love that it just shows you what other people have gotten as well. So the options. So let's start with this one, which is the 3-tone lip palette. And again, I just feel like, I don't know if Jenny, maybe you could comment down below, Jenny, if she put like my skin tone, or if like she had to answer any questions. I know like subscription boxes like Ipsy does it, and I think there's one called Beauty Box or something like that, that they also do it. They ask you like, what's your hair type, your skin tone, because orange, like those orangey coral colors to me are my favorite because they match my skin complexion so well. Things that are too like nude or too like pinky, I feel like they don't look well on me. They look they kind of like wash me out. I'm sorry if you hear my cat meow. My cat is so needy. Behave yourself. But for my skin tone personally and my personal preference, I prefer colors like this, like orange or coral, or darker colors like dark browns and darker nudes. That's what I prefer. So I'm gonna open this, and so I'm not gonna lie, it does look like kids makeup, but you know what, we can't judge a book by its cover, right? Because the color might actually be cute. So I have my handy dandy mirror here. I'm just gonna place this here, and I'm going to try this makeup out. So there's one that looks really like a deep coral orange, and then there's one that's bright, which is in the middle, and then there's one that looks just like a gloss and it has like glitter in it. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna have to take a brief moment and let my cat out to walk in the hallway, because that's why he's meowing. My cat is a hallway street cat. Can you see that? Do you see like the glitter that's in this one right here? When I go like that, and the color is there. So I'm definitely not gonna use this. I don't know what the heck this is that they mail. It's supposed to be a lip liner brush, but if you look at the bristles, they're so hard. Like it doesn't really like separate. They're all like stuck together. It's gonna ruin the little makeup palette, and it's gonna scratch my lips. I'm not having that. So I have this brush here by Real Techniques, and this brush is like really soft, the hairs. So this is a lip liner brush or fine liner brush, so you can use it for multiple things. What color should I use? I'm gonna use the deeper one, this one here, all the way at the end, and we'll see how that looks. Maybe it would be nice if I put some chapstick on these chapped ass lips first. So let's do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished doing the lips off camera. So basically this is not a lipstick, it's basically a lip gloss. It's like a tint, because you can see the difference. Let me see if I get you guys a little closer to my lips. And it's not sticky, and it's really nice. So what I did is I went in like this, and I'll show you, because it's like a tint. Do you see that? It's like the perfect color for me. And what I love is that it's not sticky. I'm gonna swatch all three of them. Put them right next to each other. Obviously the one with the glitter is just a gloss. So you can see them there. Do you even see the gloss? Well, that shine that's right there is the gloss. And what I love is that it's not sticky. They're very creamy, because I hate when you put a lip gloss on, and then whether I have my hair in a ponytail or loose, and it's like your hair slaps to your face, and then it's just like stuck to your hair's like stuck to your lips. This I love, because a lot of times with tacky lip glosses, in here in the inside gets like a white film, and I hate that. This here, I feel cute. So number 2 is a Crayon Touch Me Metallic Eyeliner. Let's see if we can find that. Here it goes. So it says metallic eyeliner. What color is this? Does this have a color? It looks like it's green, which green is my favorite. Jenny, did you have to, I'm not sure, did you have to like fill out like a questionnaire or something? Because green is my favorite color to put on my eyes, because I feel like they make my eyes look bigger, because my eyes my eyes droop downward and they're a little small. So I feel like when I put green eyeshadow on, they make my eyes look bigger, like more waved. But let's see if this is really metallic, because metallic to me means like really high shine, maybe sometimes like that gunmetal look. So let's see how this looks. Ooh. Open this a little more. So this is the type that you spin. Oh, okay. Wow. So is that metallic? It does look like it has some sort of glitter on it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You see that shine? So let's, I'm not going to put it on my eyes, but I'll put it here on my hands. Wow. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, that definitely has a shine to it. Can you see the, there you go. You see the shine? Hell yeah. Can't wait for freaking the pandemic to be over. I mean, looking fierce. This is really cute. I really like this. And it's smooth. I wonder if this blends out. You could totally smoke this out. Wow, it gives us a nice like faded smoky effect. Let me see. Focus. Do you see that? That is so freaking cute. Yes. So we're 2 for 2 right now because the lip gloss was really freaking cute. And this is so cute. And I love, it's not sticky either. So it's not smudge proof. But do you see the difference in color when you smoke that out? Like you can either go really intense and dark, or you can smoke it out like this and kind of fade it out. That is really nice. And it has like gold flecks of glitter in there. I don't know if that the camera is picking that up. So that's 2 for 2. Next is the Japanese Flower Puff. Oh, that's the one that I was interested most in. Okay, so I'm using the makeup wipe and it's leaving like glitter behind. But so just be careful when you're wiping your eye or washing your face, because you wouldn't want to get glitter, even though it's like really fine. But you wouldn't want to get that in your eye. So this is the Flower Puff. How freaking cute is this? So, and it's they says for powdered foundations. So I'm assuming that, because I don't use a lot of like powdered foundations, but you could use this, I'm assuming, for like for setting powder. That's what I was thinking. Look at this, ladies and gents. Look at that. So you put your fingers right underneath here. Oh my gosh, looking cute all the effing time. Hello. This is so cute. And the next is, it says Crayon Touch Me Color Finish Powder. Oh, is there a finish powder in here? Oh, here we go. There's a finish powder. So I wonder if we could use that puff for this powder. This is bright. This is like bright white, and I'm a little scared of this because I literally thought this was like an eyeshadow or highlighter, but it says Kawaii Color Finish Powder, which I know kawaii means like cute. Maybe I should turn off this light. Give me a second. Do you see that up here where it says kawaii? So let's open this up. I think they use a lot of this brand because there was 1, 2, 3 items here of the Crayon Touch Me brand. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's probably like the size of like a $50. And let's see what this looks like to see if it's actually a finishing powder. This has I don't know, it looks glittery to me, guys. This to me looks a little glittery. I'm not sure if this is picking up. Ooh, wow, that's like really white. So this is definitely, yeah, this is not this cannot possibly be a finishing powder, or at least not a finishing powder for my skin tone. This is what that looks like. Let me see if I get a brush. Okay, I have a brush here. I'm gonna take this, and right next to where I put that streak, so I'm dipping in here, and yeah, this would definitely not be This cannot be a finishing powder for my skin tone. So it has to be for someone way fair, because this is like turning me gray. So this is the color of my regular hand. This is when I swatched it. And then this here is like a grayish tone. Yeah, definitely. This is definitely for someone with lighter skin. But this, it gives like a sheen, like a I don't know, like a shiny finish. So even if it was somebody, it gives more like a dewy effect, this finishing powder, but definitely for not my skin tone, because I'm more of like a medium tone. Like maybe like a light tan is what, how I always describe my skin tone. People are always like, no, you're fair skin. I am not fair skin. So my sister is fair skin. I am definitely not fair skin. So this one, guys, is a no for me. Only because it's not my color. Maybe I could try using it as like an eyeshadow. But we'll see. So the next thing is Lavicia Pokemon Cooling Gel. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna open this because it says it's a cooling gel. I just came from outside, so I thought this was a body wash, but it does say cooling gel on it. So let's take a little bit of this, and it's yellow, bright yellow. And let's see how cooling this is. I'm gonna use it on my other hand. Ooh, yes. You see, what I love about this is all the items that we've had are not sticky. Does it have a scent? Oh yeah, it does have a scent. It's like citrusy, maybe like a lemon, maybe. I think it's lemon. That's probably why it's yellow. Definitely super well, I like that. And it does, compared to my other hand, I feel it is cooling. Oh, I like this very much. So I'm not sure of let me see. It says this is from Japan. What I love is that next to every item, they have a flag from where it's from. So this is from Japan. And I don't read Japanese or Mandarin or any of those languages, but I see a picture of a lemon there. So I was right. Alrighty. So the next thing is called Holika Aloe 99% cool soothing gel. I like things like this. So this is it here. It's an aloe gel, and it's for giving fresh moisturizing feel. So I like the way it looks too. It looks like an aloe stem. I already feel it cooling in my hand. Oh, definitely. Does it have a scent? I'm not sure because of this lemon. No, I don't smell anything. It smells like nothing to me. But that's nice. I like that it's not sticky. I hate sticky products. You don't know. Oh, yes. This is really good. So the only thing I didn't approve of, or I don't like right now, is the finishing powder. But only because it was my wrong complexion. But yes to all of this. Okay, now for the next one is the Misha Glitter Prism Eyeshadow. Do I have, ooh. This looks really cute. Do you see that? It has like gold and pink and orange. Come on, Prism Eyeshadow, do your thing. Let's see how this looks. I rubbed my hands with the aloe, so hopefully it doesn't affect like anything, like the color. This is really cute. I don't know, should I just... Ooh. Wow. It really changed. Look at that. Do you see that color? Wow. That is really nice. And it has like a pinky coral and like gold and like green. Like if you look at certain angles of the light, wow, that's really nice. Hell yeah, I love this. So cute. And then the last thing is wow, this is called I don't know, I can't pronounce this. Feferrafe. I don't know. Feferrafe. F-E-F-E-R-A-F-E. How do you pronounce that? Feferrafe. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. So it's a face mask. It's called Ice Cream Sheet. So, oh gosh, look who's calling. It's my boyfriend calling. Why are you calling when I'm trying to make a video? I'm sorry guys, I'm just botching up this name all over the place. All I know is that it's FR Ice Cream Mask. That's what this is. If you could pronounce that word right there. But this looks so freaking cute. It's so stinking cute. I love the K Beauty, and you know, their packaging is like just freaking amazing, guys. Don't mind the helicopter. Today is the cat my boyfriend wants to call, and helicopters just want to pass by. So I'm sorry for all the noise in the background. But I love this because I love anything ice cream. Because I love ice cream, and I love ice cream so much. I actually have a ring. Give me just 1 second. In the shape of freaking ice cream. It's so freaking cute. Tell me I don't look super cute. Look at this. With my matching ice cream ring. I've had this ring for years. It's so stinking cute. Anything that's cute, I'm totally obsessed with. But I will let you know how this face mask works out. This looks like it has like mint. No, this looks like the pistachio ice cream, because it has little nuts in it, strawberry, and then maybe like birthday cake ice cream that's there. I wonder if it smells like ice cream. Oh my gosh, imagine. It smells like ice cream. But see, this is a Korean Beauty. It's made in Korea. But guys, I'm gonna let you know how these products came about. But definitely you need to try this. Try this. Okay? No make, no life. This is so freaking cute. If you guys want to try this, this is only my second month. I had July. This month, this box is for August. And everything I love so far. The only thing, like I told you guys, I didn't like that much was this. And it's because it doesn't match my skin tone. It's for fair skin. But loving the puff. The lip gloss, super freaking cute. Look at it. We tried the eyeliner. Freaking amazing. And this, I'm going to be killing it with this. I'm going to see if I try and put this on when I go to work next time. Bye.